Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I just wanted to do a quick flip through and review of the latest and greatest from Hanna Karlzon. So this is her Halloween coloring book. You can do a pre-order, well, not anymore. I pre-ordered it and it came on the day it released, but now it's available on Amazon. So, first thing first, when I had seen it on Amazon, I honestly thought this was like a temporary placeholder cover and that they would change it because the cover really isn't Hanna Karlzon. And I'm going to put examples, little pop-up, fly-up of other books that she's, had published. And you can see what I mean. Like, it just doesn't say or speak Hanna Karlzon other than, like, the font and the lettering. But, like, I honestly thought this was, like, a temporary cover. Now, we're really going to go hardcore and say don't judge a book by its cover. But I am in this case because it kind of doesn't match. But that's not a reason to not buy it. So, I have not looked at it. So we're going to look at it together. Ooh, I like this. Okay, now I know it's August, but Halloween books do come out in August. It's made by, or done by her same publisher here in the US. So let's see and dive in. Okay. Oh, I like having like these little mini ones here. I mean, it's definitely Hanna Karlzon style. In fact, it's actually kind of a little bit busier, some of these. That's, oops, I pulled my head off. All right, ooh, this would be fun. It would be tedious, but fun. Oh, that's a cute one. Look at that. I like that. I actually really like this. I'm a sucker for her pages where they have like a dripping effect. I want to color that right now. And not in orange. I'm like anti-traditional orange and black for Halloween. So, ooh, that's pretty. Like, this isn't super Halloween, so that's kind of nice because, you get burnt out on Halloween. That's cute. Yeah, some of these pages are definitely busier than her traditional style, but that's not necessarily a bad thing. This will take a little longer. Oh, this would be fun. This would require a lot of planning though, because there's a lot of elements going on in here. Ooh, that's cute. I don't know why, but this page, I would never color it. I would color this one. Ooh, that could be fun. I see that in like a bunch of purples and cranberries. This is cool. I'm glad she came out with a Halloween one. There's other artists I wish they would do that. Just so that like you can focus on it for Halloween, She does have the Witch's Cottage, which is kind of Halloweenish, but not solely. It has a lot of fall type stuff too. Ooh, I like that. I will not probably color these Halloween ones until October. I've got rules, and one of those is I don't jump ahead. This is cute, actually. I really like this page a lot. Like, background-wise, you could do like a magical, like, cloud. Like, I would actually do like purples and greens and like a smoky gray with a ton of glitter. Just like her magic poofy cloud coming off of her. That's what I would do, at least. That's cute. I do like these little ones that she's got in here. This is a smaller book. Small, kind of like her other ones that she's been releasing. Actually, I really like that one. It's not super Halloweenish, so you could do that more fall time. See, these little pages I never end up coloring. I need to find a way to get around that. I actually really like this one. This would be fun. And I keep meaning to do a tutorial on how to make Hanna Karlzon faces look not like Hanna Karlzon faces, give them cheekbones and a nose and depth. Ooh, this could be fun. It would be tedious, but fun. I like that one. I think that, oh, we got one more. And that is that. Well, that's not bad. So yeah, I mean, that is the book. Like I said, the cover was kind of throwing me off when I did the pre-order. I was like, oh, that must be like a temporary cover. And then when it came in the mail, I was like, oh, so it's not? It really looks nothing like her other books on covers. So I wonder why they did that. But either way, this looks fun. And there's only, my biggest thing when I'm reviewing a book is, can I color 90% of it? Yes. It's very Halloween focused, but there are quite a few in there that I said don't have to be. So that's a good thing. I would totally buy it. I mean, I already bought it, but I would totally buy it again. But yeah, so if you were kind of curious and waiting to see how this book was, there you go. Let me know in the comments below if you bought it already, what you think. And then maybe we can do some color alongs for October, because I need to be better about that. So until next time, guys, take care. Bye now.